What movie are we going to watch?
Angry Birds!
Are you an angry bird?
No. Actually, yes. The pigs are the bad guys and the birds are the good guys.
Wait, say that again?
The birds are the good guys, the pigs are the bad guys.
Oh, well, of course birds are good.
The pigs steal the birds' eggs.
Well, that's terrible.
Hey.
What are we doing?
We are organizing. See, these go in here. That water and stuff goes in here that we aren't using.
The seeds?
And also the stems and the water ones.
Okay. Well, there was only one that was bad.
Yeah. These go in here.
What are we going to do with them?
They're
cherries.
We're going to eat them. And then these go in here.
Do you think we're ever going to get that washcloth clean?
Nope.
How about your fingers?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now look at this. I just got home from the feed store and my load has shifted. It's all going to fall out on me. There's more in the front of the Suburban. Only bought 13 bags of feed today. How long do you think that's going to last me? I have pellets and scratch feed and the game bird starter, bags of sunflower, that's a bag of white millet for sprouting. This might last a week, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. He's so proud of himself, he just spilled all his food. The pheasant is molting. The emus are doing what they do best. They're acting ugly to each other right now. Just normal pecking order. They all have to work it out.
Stop. Stop.